Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Serena here, and today I have a scrapbook.com Willow Lane haul. I'm so excited to share with you the collection, so this might be a little bit of a longer video, so I hope you guys grab a snack and enjoy. So before we start, I just want to say I did have an issue with this order. I emailed them and I have no doubt that they're going to resolve this. They usually do really well with their customer service. This is at scrapbook.com. That's where I always order everything. There's just some missing items. I'm just going to start off with the one-off items that don't go with anything. I got some of these photo flips. I have the 3x4, actually have a few left, and I wanted to try out the 4x6 for my project life, so I got some of these. And then the only thing I got from Amy Tangerine's new collection were these little inflatable hearts. I thought they would be a lot bigger than this, to be honest. They're kind of pricey. Again, I'm in Canada, in case you guys don't know, and there was a huge price difference, obviously, so this order did kind of ring up a lot, but that's okay because I love everything. So let's start with Willow Lane. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'll do a quick flip through. I don't know if it's just me, but the printing seems to be really light, like kind of overexposed. Does that make sense? But so pretty. Like this one seems really dull. Like the colors don't seem as vibrant. I don't know if there was an issue with the printing, but actually let me compare something. The difference, the colors aren't vibrant in the paper pad. Like, I don't know if it's my paper pad that has this issue or if it's just like how the paper is. Let me know what you guys think. If you have the collection and you have the 12x12, please let me know. Compare them, like do the test, because I feel like these colors are super washed out and I'm gonna have to email them again because I'm not sure, like I said, if it's my paper pad or not. I did order two, but this is one of the items that they forgot to send me. Yeah, these colors are super muted. Anyway, it goes on to repeat. And then I got the stickers, which was always fun because I don't really know what to expect. I thought it would be all word stickers, but bam, they aren't. There's some floral pieces here. These are like cardstock stickers. These are transparent gold foiled stickers. And then there's a whole sheet of these hearts and stars, which I think is kind of a waste because really, like, how many stars do you need? They could have done a couple of rows, you know what I mean? Like at least half hearts, half stars, and then use the other sheet for something else because I don't know, like how many of these little things do you need? I got the journaling ephemera, so this I definitely will be opening up. We have this vellum envelope, this little pocket thing. That's cute. This one's cute. Oh, I love these for project life or like mini albums. Okay, I'll do that after. Really cute. As for the bigger pieces, there's this one here. These are kind of cute, but I think a little too expensive. Yeah, this is really cute. This one's fun. It has like a little pocket thing. It's kind of hard to go back in, but there's like little pieces of paper, and it's like a kind of like a shaker, but it's too tight to shake. And then this one is like laser cut, which you can actually see the brown of where it was laser cut, so I mean, I guess that's normal. And there's like a little card in here too. I would probably switch that up and put like a different color, like maybe pink or something. Anyway, I'll put that in after. And getting to the die cuts, I already have a tag, a bunny. These are really cute. Hey, good looking. I love the butterflies. So beautiful. This one. Cute frame, this little embroidery hoop, a teacup, you are, a clock, this little tag, my two favorite ladies. Oh, cute. Oh, freaking cute. Oh, I love them. This cat lady is what sold me on the collection. I'm like, come on, seriously, that's me. That's me in spirit. A little pennant. You are loved. Teacup. I hate these cards, honestly. Like, just like, can we just talk? When are we ever going to need a pair card? Maybe the T you can use, but seriously, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. This one's embossed. I don't know. These type of cards are so hard to use. This one is embossed. This one also. Same butterfly. I love this tag. They should include more tags. A cherry, which I don't know. This is a very eclectic collection. This is embossed. This is embossed. Also, yeah, the next three are embossed. So that's pretty cool. And then there's magic. Right here. And there's the dot for the eye. Alright, let's move on. I got the washi tapes. I'm not going to open it up, but you can pretty much see the patterns. They're really cute. I got these from the Good Vibes and I absolutely love them, so I had to pick them up for this collection as well. This one's my favorite, and the black and white polka dot one. This is really cool. I don't have anything like this in my collection, in my stash. So these are foam stickers, but it's like paper on foam. So it's really fun, and I love these butterflies. I kind of prefer these over the chipboard, to be honest. These clocks are really big. No idea what to do with these, but I wish there was more butterflies. But look how freaking cute. I absolutely love this. I should have got 2 packs of these. Love all the hearts. So much fun. I love the banners so much. I love this so much. Okay, so yeah, that is a look at the foam stickers. And then I got a sticker sheet. Again, ordered 2 of these, missing 1 pack. I love these stickers. They're so sweet. And my little girls again. It's really fun. I love this cute little unicorn. I just noticed it. So adorable. I feel like this collection is easier for me to use compared to other ones in the past. And the last thing I got were the puffy stickers. Now, I think there's an issue with the printing because it does not look like it's supposed to in the picture. The black is super faded. It's kind of like a gray. The flowers are muted. Like the colors just, they don't seem right. The gray, these are supposed to be black, they're gray. The pandas are just like the perfect example. It doesn't look like they came out right. So I am going to contact them about this. I got another pack of these sparkly iridescent Dear Lizzie stickers. Love these so much. I can use them for every season, and that is why I got another pack. And now let's get into the papers. The first couple of papers are all Maggie Holmes, and then I'll show you the Halloween ones at the end. So let's just start flipping. I got 2 of these. This is the back side. I got 2 of these, front and back. My favorite pattern, I got 3. I absolutely love this pattern so much. Another pattern that I love to cut in half or do something with. I don't know, it's just gorgeous. That's the back side, a purple. Love this one too. I think I got 3 of this. Yeah, I got 3 of these because I love this floral. It's so simple, and then the back has this like really fun pattern with all these different little animals, and it's just so sweet. I got 2 cut aparts, and the back of that is this, which is going to be hard to use, but I got it for the cut aparts. And this is the last one. It's the butterfly one, and that's the back side of it, just simple yellow. And now we're getting into Halloween. I picked up some of the Pebbles Spooky Boo. I think it's a cute collection. I just really want the holographic washi tape rolls. It wasn't available just yet. I was about to buy the sticker sheets, but I decided to just go with the papers. So this is really fun, a beautiful cut apart sheet. I got 1. Look at these ghosts. I kind of want one tattooed. They're so cute. They're just so cute. I should have got 2, but I got 1 of these. Back side is polka dots. This one is cute. I actually thought I put this away, but it's really adorable. I love this side. And then I got 2 cats because I have this idea to do a cat album, and I've been saying that for 4 years and I haven't started. I love the back side too. And then this one, again, I got 2 of this. This is the back side. Don't like the owls, but I do like the strips. My idea was to cut these into cards. Like, I just really love the whole look of these 4 together. And then the candies are cute too, but I want to just cut this part out, so I got 2 to like play around with. My favorite, I love this pattern, it's so pretty. The back looks like this. I got the cut aparts, so cute. Love the back as well. I got 1 of the pumpkin pages. It looks a little muted, but that's okay. And then I got 5 of this one because it's so beautiful. And the back looks like this, and I honestly thought the picture, the clouds look more vibrant, and they stand out more. In real life, they look a little camouflaged with the background. They don't pop as much as I thought they would, but it's still really pretty. I can see myself using this for so many different things, and I absolutely love it. And then the last thing in this haul of mine is the stencil. I love, 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 love these bats. It's the same pattern as the bat paper, and oh my gosh, I just can't wait to like play with this. I'm so excited. That is my haul from scrapbook.com. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I love this Willow Lane collection. Honestly, at first I didn't, but the more I saw it, the more I got excited for it, and the more I absolutely love it. I think it is my favorite Maggie Holmes collection to date, and that's saying a lot. I do like the confetti, but I never got a chance to get around to picking it up, and it's sold out everywhere, and I never got a chance to get confetti, but I learned my lesson and I got this one. A beautiful collection, really happy I got it. I'm so excited to play with it. I have a special project in mind for this collection. That is why I bought doubles, and I cannot wait to share that with you all. And I hope you guys have a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me here today and watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!